Hey everyone, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to claim miles on Turkish Airlines. So you have to search for Turkish Airlines and you will find the Turkish Airlines official website. So you can just get this icon here. That's mean this is the official website for Turkish Airlines. So you can just tap on it and you will find this Turkish Airlines homepage here. So from here at the top side here, at the top side you will find sign in or sign up button. Don't forget to sign into your account if you have already created one, or you don't have any account, then you can just go with the sign up option. Then you just need to sign up for a mile account here. You can just tap on sign up here, then you can just sign up with all of the details like miles and smiles membership enrollment details. So you have to enter all of these details to get the miles and smile membership. When you sign up for that account, then you will find this type of interface and you just need to go to the miles and smiles here. Now tap on it, let's click on it actually. Now in this redeem miles section you will find redeem miles channels here. Now tap on it, and from this page you will find a redeem miles on flights, shop and miles with your miles, and redeem your miles with credit cards. So if you want to redeem your miles, then you can just tap on this find out more here. Then you will find all the details from here. So you can just click on learn more, and you can also get some credit card that you can use to redeem your miles here. So you can get the learn more option again. So you just need to wait until the page load here. So here you can see let me show you some other details here until that page is load correctly perfectly. It's not load yet. So here is three options like BBVA credit card and QNB credit card and Turk credit card that you can use to redeem your miles. So from here you can just easily enter your credit card details, or there's other options. So let me show you. Here you can see redeem miles on flights. You can also redeem your miles on the flight to book a ticket. So here you can see the hours page for more details information on redeem miles. Here you can see, click on it, and where you can just redeem your miles, that hour travel terms and conditions here. So you just need to enter the hour ticket here, and you can just see some hour ticket that you can get one-way hour ticket or change made to hour tickets. So that's how you can just sign, you can redeem it, or you can go to the help center and you can just connect with them to redeem redeem your miles on your Turkish Airlines. Hope you got this. If so, then give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, till next time.